Hey folks, welcome back. Jordan here at the Nutty Gnome Homestead. Today is June 18th, 2025, and we are out here getting ready to pick green beans for the first time this season. Now, this is a bush variety. These are contenders. We planted these 52 days ago today, and the contender green bean is one of the earliest producing green beans, bush beans there are. We really like this variety. They taste great. They can well. They're really easy to pick. They're pretty consistent producers. So this is why we grow these every year here on the farm. Guys, we had 7 inches of rain in the last week and a half, almost 2 weeks, and we've got another 3 days of rain forecast. It's going to be raining here in about 45 minutes. So we're going to bring you guys in close. We're going to try to get this knocked out before we get rained on. Now, as you guys can see, these green beans are about 16 to 18 inches tall. We still have some blooms on a few of these, but we do have quite a few green beans already. A little bit of bug damage, not too bad, but this is why we like these green beans. Real fast producers. There's a 5 to 6 inch long green bean. It tastes good, stringless, great for canning. So we're going to get a few of these green beans picked real quick. So we're just going to start out here on the end and work our way down. Now when you pick these green beans, you want to be sure to grab the green bean up here at the top and lift up. I'll get you guys in close and show you this. If you just grab them and pull them, you could damage your bean plant and then they won't produce near as much. We're going to leave the smaller ones another couple days. Get these guys picked. Man, those are some nice green beans right there. A couple of these probably could have been picked yesterday, but that's all right. 52 days we planted these. I will get a second picking here in a couple of 3 days. I'll get a third picking in about a week. I will have my replacement green beans planted whenever I pick the second time. That way, so when these start to slow down in production, I've got green beans coming in again in my second planting. So since these are so prolific, you really don't need that many. I've grown these in mineral tubs. I've grown these in raised beds. They're bush beans, so they only get 16 to 18 inches tall. They don't fall over too bad. So I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. Do a little weeding while I'm out here. You can really smell the rain this morning. It'll be here probably in about 30 minutes or so. I've got, I don't know, 50 or 60 feet of these planted right now. Look at that green bean. And we've eaten these right from the field. They have a really good flavor. They're not tough. They're not woody. They don't have a string. So, see, right there. I didn't lift up like I should have, and I pulled the top part of that plant off. That was my fault. That's why you pick these up and lift them right straight up. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this green bean right here. This one right here. So, like I was saying, you lift it up and just pop it right straight off. All right, folks. So there you have it. In about 10 minutes of picking, we've got ourselves a pretty good mess of green beans here. I don't think it's quite enough to fill up a layer in the canner, but if not, we'll just put them in the freezer till we get enough. Looks like we're just about in time for the rain. It's starting to sprinkle now. So if you guys have any questions or comments about growing green beans or how to harvest them or how to put them up, preserve them, let us know down below. Contact us over on Nutty Gnome Homestead on Facebook. If you guys haven't done so already, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. It really does help us out. You know, it's free for you, cheap for them type thing. Helps gives us the motivation to keep making these videos. I'm going to try to get the rest of these taken care of before rain comes in. So until next time, get out there, get your green beans picked, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Y'all stay safe.